There we go. You guys hear me? Hold on. Good morning. Says it reconnected. I don't know. You can hear me? All right, perfect, perfect. Cool. Cool. All right, yes. So, SPY does look bullish. However, remember we talked about TLT many times. What has happened? I'm gonna show you guys. Go to SPY on the daily. The day that TLT broke below the bear, actually, when did TLT top? Right? Let's just look at this. 12.7 is when TLT topped. The market topped around a month later. TLT started falling, went into a bear flag, fell below the bear flag on February 3rd, which was right here on the SPY. Right here at this top is when TLT fell. Now the second time it happened, I believe SPY was down here. Hold on, let's see. 3939. Yes, that was pretty much the bottom of this pullback. However, the next bear flag was on 4.5, which marked pretty much the top right here. The market followed. So if we piece that together, TLT, which topped, you know, a month before the SPY topped, and you can kind of see that, you know, throughout that time, SPY was looking pretty weak to begin with. But yeah, TLT started breaking below the bear flags. It came down to the support zone that I talked about. Let's see, go to the monthly time frame. The low of, let's see, the last, it's 2022, so 4 years, was at 111.9. TLT got very close to that level on 5.9. And let's see, 5.9 is right here. And the market started following it, you know, a few days later. Now, bear flag looks ready to break on TLT. So if the market's been following TLT and we break below this level, that's no bueno. So keep TLT on watch. In the meantime, though, we will be trading whatever we end up seeing. If a setup looks good, I'm going to take the setup. But real quick, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 100 people up in here, so make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 40 likes. And yeah, let's do this. So, hold on. Yeah, that news came out yesterday. I saw that. Anyways, the one thing I do like about SPY going into today is this 1 hour squeeze in this 1 hour trend line. If we can crack the trend line, I'll be very interested for some calls. We'll see. As far as economic news, I don't know if there's any. Just below the bear flag. And if it breaks below that low, that's going to be very bad. Let's see, today is June 1st. Happy June, everybody. Let's see, 9:45. Job openings at 10, quits at 10. We do have a Fed speaker at 1, and we have the beige book at 2, which is going to be super important. So beige book, this dude at 1 o'clock, job quits, and job openings are going to be important. I am long in a Forex trade right now. I talked about it on my Twitter last night, AUD and ZD. Go to the daily time frame, nice little daily squeeze, orange dots, stochastic buy signal, break above the trend line. So yeah, I'm long on this right now, aiming for the highs, and then aiming for the 127 extension right up there. Cool. Let's find some stocks to watch for today. Yes. Yeah, you ordered the book? Let's go. Thank you. Speaking of the book, hold on. Gotta turn down the volume real quick so that doesn't go super loud. Real quick, if you guys have not pre-ordered my ebook, make sure you guys do that. The link is right here. It will be releasing this Saturday, June 4th. If you guys do pre-order, or if you have pre-ordered the book, go to the email, your confirmation email from Gumroad, and there's a button that says thank you. Click on the button that says thank you, and then there's a text file with a Discord invite. Make sure you guys join the Discord for the book. But yeah, let's see what I'm liking today. Find some stocks to trade. You ordered my book twice. Oh, no you didn't, you fool. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Everybody should know what I mean about TLT. I've talked about it in so many videos. So many videos. You're gonna pre-order Friday, let's go. There's actually a lot of 1 hour squeezes. I'd be interested in that Facebook if it doesn't crack. All right, so let me pull up the Discord myself. Facebook. Boom. All right, let's go through the priority week. So I was looking at CB yesterday. Unfortunately, there was no entry because the options are illiquid. Yeah, I just sent the link to the book a bunch of times. Anyways, CB, no liquidity in the options, therefore can't really trade it. Coin. Let's see. Not too interested in coin. Same thing on TLT, just looking for the bear flag break. Chevron, not interested. D, holding D, swinging D. Dow, still waiting for that breakout. Goldman Sachs. 330. Is there liquidity? There's a decent amount of liquidity. Possibly Goldman Sachs. GS question mark. IBM still looking for the breakout there. It's getting super close. Break that trend line. I will be looking for leaps. $139.83. Need a daily close outside of it. Be very interested. J&J. Staying patient. Lockheed Martin fell below the moving averages. MOS unfortunately missed that swing trade yesterday. It didn't want to wait for us and it just ripped. Maybe we'll be able to snag an entry today. Not too sure. Come back to that one. NVDA. I'm sure that's squeezing. Yep. Nice 1 hour squeeze there. Broke above that trend line. 188 I'll be interested in. 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. NVIDIA. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We almost got 150 people in here. If you guys want the watch list, make sure to click the like button. Once I hit 150, that is when I will drop it. Target has yet to break the level. And Exxon, unfortunately, they did not push Exxon to 100. It got very close, 99.78. There's that. Go to the day trade stocks. I will say I am very interested in Apple above 151. That is where I will be interested. For the meantime, I'm just gonna wait. So we'll put Apple on the list for now. Of course, Brian, have an amazing day, my man. AMD supported off of that 100 yesterday. Personally, I'm watching AMD for a swing though. I'd like to see it crack above this trend line. If it does that, I'll be very interested. I think I put it at below by accident. Above. Good stuff. Yeah, right now I'm still trading light. I'm gonna trade light for the remainder of this month. Hold on. Boeing actually looks very interesting over 133. Yeah, I'm gonna trade smaller size for the remainder of the month, or actually the entire month. I'm tired of, you know, feeling like I have to make a huge profit just to flex it on, you know, Instagram or a YouTube video. I've realized that I've been selling my positions too early because I'm oversized. I don't feel comfortable with the position. So I'm just gonna lower the size. I don't care if I make $90. I don't care if I make $30. If I can sit there and hold the position longer and let the thing run, And yeah, it'll be cool if I make, you know, $600, $700, $800, but I don't care about the profits going into this month whatsoever. It's more so working on a flaw that I have in trading, and hopefully coming into the market in July, having fixed that, and then I can up my size from there. Yes, I did say Boeing. But yeah, this month it's going to be a substantially less size. Gotta learn the art of diamond hands. Somebody said Microsoft looks good. That it does. 1 hour squeeze. Love it. Microsoft. Let me tell everybody there's tons of 1 hour squeezes. Boom. Microsoft. Already looked at NVDA. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And again, it's only with day trades. I can sit there and hold a huge swing trade position and be down 35, 40%. And I can diamond hand swing trades. I don't know what it is. I have no issue doing that. No issue. Just the day trading, not. I don't know. So I'm going to work on it. Did it with USO. We were down and so many people were DMing me about that thing. Diamond hand. Tesla 760 doesn't look bad. Cool. All right, we got our decently sized list. Facebook, Goldman Sachs, NVIDIA, Apple, Boeing, Microsoft, Tesla. So let's look at QQQ. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. It would be greatly appreciated if you guys do want the watch list. Looks like QQQ 310 is going to be an interesting level. Yesterday's high. As far as what I got on here, we could see 315. There we go. You guys hear me again? I don't know why YouTube keeps disconnecting. There we go. Yeah, this QQQ really interests me. There it is. Yeah, 310 is going to be a key level. QQQ, SPY. We're going to throw both of those on the list as well. Alrighty. So, again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 202 people in here, not even 100 likes yet. What is going on? 150 likes if you guys want to watch this. 150. I think you guys can do it. Anyways, Facebook. Maybe Goldman Sachs. We'll come back to that. Like the video. There we go. Video, nice 1 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. A bullfrog. Heck is a bullfrog? You mean a bull flag? Or are you seeing something I'm not seeing? Okay, so this is what I think needs to happen for the market to grind up. Again, we still have to watch TLT. I think Apple needs to crack the 151 to take the market higher. It's okay. Yes, it's a 1 hour flag. You can see it better on the 1 hour. So Apple, we'll mark that. I don't trade Apple. Maybe if it comes up above 151, I'll be interested. Let's see, Boeing, ribbit. 132, actually 133. Liquidity is in the 135 calls. $135.2. 134.16. Jadon's gonna be mad at me. I really like the Boeing setup today. Let me just make sure there's no moving averages blocking it. Let's see, the weekly we're good, monthly we're good. Cool. All right. I love Boeing. I really hope SPY doesn't break that level before market open. I'd be quite upset. Microsoft. What is that level? 274.77. $277.81. Or no, can't even see that level. Like 277.7. $276. All right, I like Microsoft, so love. Again, real quick, if you guys have not, make sure to click the like button. It would be greatly appreciated. If you would like to pre-order my new ebook dropping this Saturday, there is a link to that. But I love Microsoft. Tesla. A 1 hour squeeze on Tesla looks really good above 760. Got room. Tesla will put a question mark next to it for now. Honestly, might prioritize SPY and QQQ though, because I love the way that this is setting up. Trade Uncle's levels, but over 310, I'm very interested in QQQ. Today's Wednesday too, so we got 0 DTE. Let's see. Nah, Boeing, the setup on Boeing actually looks really good. All right, I'm gonna watch the QQQ setup. QQQ, looking for the break above 310 to hopefully get the squeeze to fire up. Will trade Savage's levels. Boom. All right, there's that. Obviously gonna watch SPY as well, but QQQ definitely really loving that setup over 310. Just hopefully it doesn't break. So there's that. Let's go back to Facebook. Might have to get a new entry. All right, so I like the Facebook setup. Facebook love. Goldman Sachs. How'd everybody do yesterday? Did you guys make money, lose money? Take no trades? If you do want to watch Goldman Sachs though, break above 330 doesn't look too bad. Just, there's no liquidity until 340. Maybe liquidity will come into the 335s or maybe even the 330s. I mean, they have liquidity, but they're not, they got a pretty wide spread. So I'm going to take Goldman Sachs off. And then NVIDIA. Exxon was a banger. Yes, sir. That was a nice trade. Let's see. NVIDIA, I'm very interested. 188. Oh, 17 big ones. What do you mean big ones? $17? NVIDIA is probably going to find its way onto the list. Boeing. I mean, we could snipe an early entry. I mean, that's 50 cents. 50 cents is good in the options world. Make sure I'm not missing any levels. Hold on. Yeah, it should pretty much be a straight shot for Boeing. Alrighty, Boeing's on the list. Can somebody tell me what Rhino 69 is? Like, did I miss something? Boeing. Sorry at Jadon. Liking this over 132.5 for calls. Price target equal 133, 134.16, 135.2. 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. Looking to fire. Boom. There's Boeing. Netflix is not on the list. There's that. I mean, I don't know what Rhino 69 is. If anybody knows, you gotta let me know. Maybe Microsoft above 274.77, 277.77, or 277.7, my bad. Should be pretty good. Oops. Let's see. We do have a trend line here. We'll just go with this one, the original one. There we go. Yeah, 274.77. Microsoft is definitely going to be interesting. And then, what was the other one? NVIDIA and Facebook. Gas station Viagra. Well, first off, who would buy that at a gas station? That's my question. I'm genuinely curious about that. You're gonna be bricked up like for a week straight if you were to buy gas station Viagra. Y'all wild. Whoever buys that, let me know how it goes. Might not be able to leave your house for a while. Anyways, NVIDIA 188. Let me tell you something. When I was in Florida, I forget where we were in Florida, I bought gas station turkey, 7-Eleven turkey, like the sliced turkey. It was pre-packaged. Never, ever, ever again would I buy that. It was awful. Did not sit well with my stomach either. Microsoft. I don't think I'm going to trade Tesla today, just because again I care about staying in these trades longer. Let me look at the contract cost. Yeah, no, I'm gonna sit Tesla out. If you're If you want, you can watch Tesla above 760. Doesn't look bad. 765.5, 775.78, 778.8, 785.92. Yeah, you can watch Tesla. Yes. Doesn't directly say liquidity, but yes, I discuss, you know, what you want to look for in the options contracts before you actually enter. Good old Facebook. Oh, did I post? No. Thank you for pointing that out. There it is. Those other ones, hold on. Facebook, NVIDIA, Microsoft. Let's see, should we do Facebook or NVIDIA? Oh no, that 188 is very interesting. $95.91. We're gonna do Facebook and NVIDIA. Cool. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 203 people up in here and only 136 likes. If you guys do want the watch list, we need 150 likes on the video. And if you guys are not, make sure you are subscribed as well. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. And if you have not pre-ordered my new ebook that will be dropping this Saturday, there's the link for that. Make sure you guys do pre-order it. When you do pre-order, make sure to click on the actual receipt that you get sent in your email. Click on the button that says thank you, and there's going to be a Discord invite and a text file. So yeah. Anyways, can I go back? No, because I have swing trades and day trades, which are completely different. And the swing trades get lost in the one channel. So need two channels. Let's see. Video. More people requested that I had two channels anyway, so. NVIDIA. 1 hour squeeze. Alan, you gotta click on the thank you. Let's see, 1 hour squeeze. Looking for a break above 188 for calls. Price target equal. What do you mean prove it? What? Sorry, equal 189. Thank you for the subscribe. 191.33. 192. 195.91. 195.91. Boom. There's NVIDIA, and then we said Facebook. I also do have a short level on NVIDIA below 184.5. I'll put that in there real quick. Puts below 184.5. And then Facebook. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Facebook might actually have to wait a little closer to market open. Got a nice little inverse head and shoulders right here. Shoulder 1, head, shoulder 2. Looks like the neckline's at 197.5. So get a break above there. I will be interested. And then the other one was Microsoft. Yeah, so I think what I'm going to do, a little closer to market open, I'll decide between Facebook and Microsoft. But I do like them both. Both look high probability. But yes, click the thank you in the email. And then there's a text file at the very bottom. To be honest, Brandon, I don't know what you're talking about. But I will say more people have requested for 2 channels. I don't have to prove that. Like what? Anyways, what do we got so far? NVIDIA. Boeing. Obviously QQQ and SPY. I really like those setups today. QQQ. And SPY. And then maybe Microsoft or Facebook. We'll see. But watch those flags. SPY and QQQ. Really like them. They look good. Break above the flag. We could see the continuation. QQQ at like 310. He does kind of sound like a hater, but I'll let him be. Watch this is going to be posted in about 10 seconds. All right, so here's QQQ. Again, I'm going to have a market update posted today. There's Boeing. I do them every single Wednesday. NVIDIA. Yeah, revisit the D chart. There we go. D. Yeah, so the reason I like D is because we're holding this middle ATR. Utilities look pretty strong. So the fact that we're holding this middle ATR for 1, 2, we held above it 3, 4, 5. 5 days in a row we held the middle ATR, which is going to be support. At the same time, it's sitting in between the middle ATR, -1 ATR, which is typically where you should be looking to enter your trades. So in between this zone, if it's able to find support. At the same time, we do have that squeeze light blue momentum. Yes, it turned dark blue yesterday, but we have to keep in mind that, you know, if it's holding the moving averages, it will go back to light blue and we will get this thing to fire just like the USO, right? It sat in the dark blue for a remainder, or not a remainder, but a majority of the trade. Dark blue, red dots, holding the moving averages, just came back to test that EMA. And then what happened? Squeeze fired up. So with D, it's kind of the same thing. It's holding this level. It's in a monthly squeeze, holding the same levels. Monthly squeezes looking to fire up. It's in a quarterly squeeze that is also looking to fire up. You can see that it basically sat on that quarterly middle ATR. Orange dots, up arrow, and it also broke out of that monthly symmetrical triangle, which you can see came back, retested 1, 2. It looks like it wants to fire up. So that's why I bought a little bit of time with those July expirations. And yeah, just use a proper stop loss, -50%. Don't position yourself super heavy, but I like the setup. So I'm going to continue to hold this, see what we can get out of it. Here's a 3-day. There it is. 3-day even looks really good. So that is the reasoning behind the D trade, or Dominion Energy. I should just say that instead. Of course. Anyways, yeah, any questions you guys got before I hop off? About to take a poll and be like, who likes 2 channels better than the 1? Anyways, real quick before I hop off, again, if you have not pre-ordered the new ebook, here is the link. Make sure you guys do pre-order it. It will be officially released this Saturday. And again, go to your email when you pre-order it. There is a link. There's a big button that says thank you. Click on the button that says thank you and scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's a text document with the Discord invite. So make sure you guys join. That way, you know, I can keep you guys updated on the book and everything, and you guys are going to help me if there's any grammar mistakes, because I'm not going to get a hard copy out until I make sure this whole thing is error-free. Yeah, I can check for you. But other than that, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Use proper risk management. If you guys end up entering a trade and it goes against you, I'm not responsible for any lost funds. But yeah, everybody take it easy. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow at 8:15 a.m.